I have a confession to make even before I start making this video. More than a confession, it's a disclaimer. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my way of looking at the whole stock trading or any sort of a trading industry, financial trading, which does not mean that I'm against the entire trading industry. Absolutely not. I come from a business family. We have made a lot of money in stock trading. I personally think stock trading is amazing. So it's not that I'm going against arms with regards to all the stock traders, FNO traders of the world. So that's my first disclaimer, even before I start talking. However, this video is very important for people who have never understood the whole concept of stock market. They want to understand this concept and who are ready to give me time, because in this video, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to be absolutely honest. I'm going to give you multiple reasons why I believe stock trading is not the best passive money making opportunity for everybody. For that matter of fact, I don't even think stock trading is a passive money making opportunity. Okay. And I'm going to give you all of my reasons. So if you are somebody who is open to understanding the suggestions, open to listening to an argument, open to understanding why I am making such a tall claim, only then do I request you to watch this video till the end. If you are somebody who's already made up your mind or who's making a lot of money through stock trading, please, amazing. You really don't need to watch this video. Thank you for giving me a 1.5 minutes and thank you for not creating a controversy. Okay. But before we get to that, hello and welcome. This is Paycheck to Profit. I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit. I'm a money mindset and financial literacy coach. It's my job to create a community of like-minded people, working professionals, entrepreneurs, homemakers who want to be financially responsible, who want to understand that they need a new relationship with money. And how are they going to build a new relationship with money? By changing their money mindset, by understanding, identifying and eliminating their money blocks. I want people to manifest wealth into their life using law of attraction, for which I create a podcast every Monday morning. So I am absolutely in for stocks and making money via trading and all of it, but there has to be a system. And in this video, I'm not going to bash against people who are making a lot of money through stock investments and trading. If you've seen some of my ads or if you've been following me, you know I am a finance student through and through, and I talk about a lot of stock trading also. However, in this video, I'm going to tell you why stock trading is not a passive money making opportunity, which is a lot of mis-selling that has been happening in the market. And if a money mindset coach will not talk about it, I'm going to be doing injustice to my job and my title. So let me tell you why do I feel that this is not the right thing or the right way to go for most people. Okay. Stock trading is a skill. It's a test of your temperament, your patience, your character. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Stock trading is where you actually gain the knowledge, you understand the entire process of what exactly is a company, a script, a chart, the patterns, how do you start identifying patterns, how do you understand, how do you take a deal, how do you set a loss, how do you keep trailing a deal, so on and so on. There's so much. The knowledge base of stock trading can run into thousands of pages or maybe even hundreds of thousands of pages. I'm not saying every trader reads hundreds and thousands of pages, but if you want to actually be a proper stock trader or a commodity trader, you really need to do a lot of learning. You just can't do a course where somebody will teach you how to trade in stocks in 2 weeks and you'll start making money. That is something that you really need to be absolutely careful about. Skills and experience also kept aside, there is no trader in the world who can guarantee you a profit in your trading. And I can promise you this, if there is any trader, bring that trader to me and I'll show you a liar. Because any stock trader, any trader will understand the charts, will understand the entire possibility, will understand the situation, may absolutely be an expert on the script or the index that they are talking about. Okay, if you don't understand some of the technical words, please ignore those technical words, because what I want you to understand is the real essence of this video. No trader can guarantee a profit in any and every sale. Even the best traders in the world will have a 40-50% ratio of success in their trades, but nobody can guarantee. If somebody is guaranteeing something to you in stock trading, they are either God, which we all know is not possible in this human form. Even if there was God would rather go and save the planet and save all the other things that are happening, right? Why would they come to you to show you how to trade in stocks and make money? I'm just trying to be as practical and as logical here as possible, and I'm being real. If you feel that you don't resonate with my thought process, amazing. As I said, the purpose of this video is not to create controversy. It's my way to share my knowledge and perspective. However, you've clearly understood I'm just getting started. This may be a 10 more minute long video. It may be a 15 to 18 minute long video. But if you have started understanding that I am talking some sense, please support this channel and especially this video by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I'll tell you why. Because videos like these will easily get lost on the internet. People would rather watch a dance video or watch another mis-selling video where somebody is going to tell them how they made tons and tons of money, which I'm going to talk to you about later in the video, by doing stock trading. But what if the real truth is going to come out for you? So please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and please stay connected with Paycheck to Profit. Stock trading is also a lot about your personality. I'll tell you what, even if you start trading in stocks, fear and greed, just go and search fear, greed, stock trading or fear, greed, trading, and you will find endless number of articles, because these are two emotions that will always come into play. A simple thing, you invest in stock ABC, you're supposed to exit from that stock by the end of the day. You invest at 100 rupees, okay? The stock can go to 80 rupees in 30 minutes. Your fear will have no control. You will start looking at every possible negative scenario, how your trade is going to go down the dumps, how you're going to lose money, you're not ready for that sort of a loss, and you'll take the money out. But by the end of the day, that stock could have risen to as much as 150, 120 or whatever. But your fear did not allow you to take the trade properly. Look at it from the other way around. You entered at 100 rupees. In half an hour, it reaches 150 rupees. And you go berserk. You are seeing a 50% profit in one day. It is unreal. And you take the money out. By the time you've taken the money out, the stock ended at 140 rupees. The trade ended at 140 rupees. You're still very happy because you made a 40% profit. Now, this does happen, but although there are many technicalities involved, most stocks will not have this sort of a run. But you know what would happen? There is a possibility that on the same day that stock could also have gone to 200, 250 rupees. Market securities would have come in, technicalities are there, but I'm just trying to tell you, your greed will also not allow you to get the kind of returns that you can make. Why? Because your emotions, it takes years and years of patience to actually learn how to trade correctly. And somebody just trying to tell you that they are going to teach you stock trading in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 months is just somebody trying to sell you snake oil. That's all what I'll tell you. Do you know 99% people lose money in stock trading? But when we are looking at these ads, when we are looking at these webinars, when we are looking at these master classes, when we are looking at these well production made videos on YouTube with somebody showing you a dynamic screen, Android screen in the background and trying to show you, see, this is the kind of money you can make in one day. They're just trying to tell you to focus and try to be the 1% exception. Can you be the 1% exception? Absolutely, yes. You have the potential. But do you have the temperament? Do you have the patience? Do you even want to learn that skill set? You are a doctor. You are somebody working in the hospitality industry. You're somebody who's an engineer. Why would you want to lose that domain knowledge and start wanting to become a stock trader unless and until that's really your passion? And if that was a passion, you would not have been seeing this video for the 9 minutes, right? So that's what it is. 99% people lose money in the stock market, and this is not my number. Please go to Zerodha's blogs and you'll read that. Zerodha is India's biggest stockbroking platform. So I am not saying anything out of my whims and fancies. I'm not creating any big picture. For that matter of fact, I'm creating as real picture as possible. If it is a little dark, I am sorry, that is the reality. How do you get testimonials? You know what, Manish, people tell me, Manish, but when I see this webinar or when I see this content creators videos, they will show me testimonials after testimonials about this person making 20% return, 30% return, 50% returns. So many people are 1%. They may be the 1%. Or I'll tell you the reality what happens. How do you know how many lossful trades that this person has done before they've got into the trade where they made a 30% profit? How do you know that this person has not made a 50% loss the next day? See, what happens is it's very easy for people to missell, especially in the world of finance. I just need to show you one trade, and go and watch videos. You will find many videos on how to manipulate these trades. Okay. The person would have made a 1% profit or a 2% profit. It's very easy to take a screenshot and make that 2% into 20%. All of these things are happening. I am not saying the person who you follow, I am not saying every person who's showing trades like these are manipulating the trades. No, I have very good friends. I have two coaches who I look up to when it comes to stock trading. But even there, I have seen multiple loss stories, and that's a fact. So people who are making all these testimonials, they are either exceptions, or you don't know the entire story. You don't know what happened yesterday, what will happen tomorrow in their portfolio. You don't know their PNL. You don't know the amount of time that they have invested. You don't know their expertise. You don't know the strategy that they used. Did they even use a strategy, or was it a luck by chance? You don't know so many things. You only know one number, and that one number benefits you a lot, which is the profit, which lures you, which entices you, and which makes you want to earn that number for yourself. Okay. There's also one more thing which I have not recorded here, but I just thought of. The amount of stress, the amount of time that will get involved, the amount of expertise that you need to bring into the picture is not easy to learn. I am telling you, I've lost some money in stock market trading. Why? Because it's very easy to want to trade. But getting a full understanding, learning exact patterns, knowing when to enter, how to exit, why to exit, where to get a stop loss, all of this is a skill. Knowledge is easy to find, but converting that knowledge into skill is not easy. Not every person who gets into mechanical engineering ends up creating some of the best motors and some of the best engines of the world, right? Only a small number of people do. Okay. Similarly, not every person who gets into the whole automobile industry can start a new Tesla or a Tata Motor or whatever. Please understand, my job over here is to be as transparent with you. So I'll tell you one thing. Okay, but Manish, I can do this easily in a part-time sort of a thing. I can just do all my analysis after my job, and in the day I'll just place a trade and I'll be done. At least that's what these coaches tell me. Of course you can do that, but what is the guarantee you're not going to get distracted? We keep getting distracted with WhatsApp messages. We keep getting distracted with Twitter DMs. We keep getting distracted with this Instagram sending you one notification after the other. What is the guarantee you're not going to get distracted where your money is involved? Look at your personality. You place an order on Amazon or Myntra or wherever. How many times do you track that order? What is the guarantee you're not going to keep tracking 10 different orders that you're placing every day? Over there, real money is involved, and there's a reason why trading has also been referred or spoken to like a casino. Stock market is not a casino, but your behavior or most people's behavior in the stock market makes it a casino. People literally treat the stock market as if it's a roulette or a slot machine, yeah. That's not how things work. You are bound to get distracted. So, if you're somebody who's absolutely zen, if you're somebody who does not get distracted, if you're somebody who literally can control your emotions, go ahead, give it a try. Okay, but it's, again, disclaimers. I have given you multiple reasons until now. Please go to the comment section and tell me if you resonate with this. Tell me if you actually see that stock trading may not be the best way to create passive income. There are multiple ways to create passive income. I'm going to create more videos on that. Please stay subscribed to this channel to get all of those videos. But understand one simple thing. It's easy for people to missell to you because they are only looking at your want, your need, I'm sorry to use this word, but your desperation to make more money and make it quickly, make it easily without having to think too much. You become an easy target. And that is why they end up targeting you. If you have liked this video, please share this with people who keep talking to you and telling you that, oh, I will make tons of money in the share market. Let them see this video, at least share it with their loved ones. Many a times what happens, people don't end up understanding the impact of these things, but their loved ones will probably be able to talk to them about it. Okay. Who makes money in the stock markets? Who makes money in trading? Let's talk about the two categories of people who I know who are making a lot of money. I know people who made their living. I stay in a suburb in Mumbai where it's every second or third person, at least every fifth person is making money in stocks. Okay. So how are they making money? So let's talk about the two categories who make a lot of money trading in the markets. The first is actual hedge fund managers or investment advisors or people who actually their entire job is to sit in front of a screen and trade the entire day. They are MBA in finances. They are not just MBA in finances. These people would have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees beyond their MBA, if not crores, in further training, in softwares, in creating a mastermind, in actually understanding how the entire system works. These are working for some of the best banks in the world. They have terminals, like news terminals. Imagine a terminal to be like a big computer machine, which is a computer. That terminal will cost you thousands of dollars per month just to get breaking news. The kind of access of information that they have is unparalleled. These are the kind of people who have an edge, and then they use that edge into models and portfolios and all the possible softwares, which gives them much more accurate results, which enables them to make money in the stock markets. Get the right perspective, know the right picture. And let's look at the second category altogether. These guys who make a lot of money in the stock markets are called full-time traders. Now, you know what do these guys do? They will wake up at whatever time they want to wake up, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. But before the market starts, before that 9:15 bell, these guys would have understood the Singapore market. They would have understood how did the finance markets in 3 other countries fare the last day. They would have made all the calculations. They would sit in front of the TV screen and the computer before the market opens, and they will have done at least 2 hours of analysis. These are the people. Who do you think is reading the newspapers? These people are still the people who are reading the newspapers, reading between the lines, understanding how does the system work, and only then are they even being, and they've given years, if not decades. They've given years and years of research and making mistakes and earning small profits and then taking bigger risks and then now becoming a full-time trader. Not everybody can become a Damani and a Junjunwala. Be real, be absolutely practical. How many Junjunwalas do we know? So it's all a process, and the deeper I get into this, it will become all the more controversial, because the way the Junjunwalas of the world earlier made money, it is not possible today because so much has changed. Those people made money when SEBI did not exist, and people don't know all of this big picture. So I'm just trying to show you the mirror. Okay, so it's the fund managers who have a lot of expertise and a lot of tools and a lot of information, and then there are these full-time traders, people from 2 or 3 different communities who are known to be traders, or who are known to be, these are the people who make money out of the stock market. So you probably are understanding who am I talking about. I can't say all the names, but if you are understanding, please share the details in the comments below. Okay. You just don't need the right knowledge. I can give you a list of 10 books which you need to read. Just go and read The Intelligent Investor and you will learn so much about how to analyze a balance sheet, how do you pick the right stock, how do you look at the moat. There is so much to learn only out of that one book. But it's not just the knowledge, as I told you, it's the attitude, it's the mindset, it's the way you actually take things ahead. You need so much more preparation, and I'll tell you what, when I keep saying the right attitude, I say you need the right money mindset. How can I help you get the real money mindset? I am sure not more than 10 or 15 or 20% people who started this video are still watching this video. So I'll now tell you what can I do to you to offer to you. I have 2 freebies for you. Go to the description of this video and you'll find 2 links. One is to join my WhatsApp group, and second is to join my Profit Clan newsletters. Everything that I learn, everything that I'm creating is only for my community at Paycheck to Profit as a community. Okay. I am giving you access to these 2 things. Both of them are free. Please register. And everything that I do which is significant will reach to you either on your WhatsApp or your email. I would request you to sign up for both. Because imagine, I've been talking for 19.5 minutes. It's one cut video. If this is so much that I'm giving you, the only reason why I'm doing this is to help my community grow. Okay. What can you do? What should you do? If you're still with me, understand this. I'm talking to you like a friend. please hone your skills. You are already in an industry. Learn more things. Learn how to work on your money mindset. Learn on how do you change your outlook towards money. Stop being a bait for all these people who are selling you get rich quick schemes very easily. You do not need to get rich quick. You need to get rich the right way. And the right way is to learn your money mindset. Eliminate your money blocks. Change your attitude towards money. Learn law of attraction. Get financially literate. You don't know the difference between assets and liabilities and you're trying to make crores out of the stock market. You know you're lying to yourself. Please do this. And I'm extremely sorry if anything that I've said seems rude, but I'm being as honest as possible over here. In fact, my next video, I'm going to talk about why is mis-selling so common, so easy, so prevalent in the financial sector. So if you're interested in that, please make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. That video is coming in another few days. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for having the patience. If you've watched this video till this point now, I'm clear that you've at least understood the pitfalls that you need to avoid and why you will be 10 steps away from getting into yet another program where somebody is going to teach you how to make a lot of money in stock markets and create a passive income for yourself. That's all bad. Instead, I would want you to watch this video that you see on your screen right now, which will tell you what exactly is the right money mindset. How am I am literally creating a revolution in people, teaching them about money mindset as a subject, creating videos on regular basis. I'm also going to start creating a lot of content on Instagram on regular basis. Just follow me on social media, come to my masterclasses, come to my webinars, come to my live interactions and ask me any question that you have about money. Ask me your questions in the comments and I promise you to create more videos like this for you. But thank you so much for giving me your time. I'll now see you in the next video. I hope you've learned a lot. Please share this video with somebody who you know is in the whole process of wanting to make money out of the stock markets and stop them from making a loss that they can get into. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please take care. Keep smiling. Keep going. Keep growing.